Good morning, welcome to SouthernCrossGO. My name's Grant. If you're new to the channel, it's nice to meet you. Now today we're going to go and have a look at 5 little eateries and warungs around Pemogan. Now Pemogan's fairly close to Kuta, a couple of kilometres, about 4-5 kilometres maybe from Sanur. And yeah, let's get into it and go and have a look at some local warungs. So today we're here at a little warung. It's in Pemogan. It's called TELU Coffee and Eatery. I suppose a little restaurant, so we'll go in and check it out and see what's going on. The little restaurant, TELU, is part of the gym more or less, so yeah, it's got all the top equipment in there, and I'll put the prices up so you can see how much it is. So we're going to sit out the front here and just have breakfast or brunch. As you can see, they've got a little outdoor area here where you can sit outside, which is nice actually. So it's a gym with all the full top quality machines, everything you can think of. Okay, so they've got an upstairs as well, so we'll go and check that out. And it's got all the treadmills and stuff like that upstairs. They've also got another room here where they do like Zumba classes and things like that, aerobics. Also next door, it's not attached to the gym, but it's right next door, is the badminton courts and stuff. Let's check this out. Hello? Okay. So they got badminton courts in here. Wow, it's busy, it's full, the courts. So they've got three full courts here, all indoor badminton, which is pretty popular through Asia, very popular. So this is right next door to the gym and right next door to the cafe. So it's $45,000, about $4.50 per hour to rent the badminton courts, which is pretty cheap really. After an hour I think you probably had enough. So yeah, very cheap. So you get one shuttlecock with that to use, but you can rent the rackets if you want for $20,000, $2 an hour. So yeah, very good. I didn't know this was here, and yeah, it's good to know. So it's a full complex with the gym and the badminton next door and the little coffee shop as well. Great place to see in Pemogan. Alright, so we both got a chicken palmy, and just check out the size of that. So this is $54,000, about $5.40 Australian. Damn cheap and a good sized meal. Look at that. So it's, you know, cheap food attached to the gym. So while you're here at the gym, you can always have a coffee, some cakes, or have a decent meal, cheap meal. Okay, so we're just going to try out this palmy, and that's nice and soft and nice and good, fresh looking, with all that mozzarella. Yeah, quite good. So it's definitely fresh. The chicken is freshly cooked. There's a lot of mozzarella on it, heaps actually. So for $54,000, you can't beat that. So it costs us $166 for 2 meals, 2 drinks. Cheap as. So the chips are good. You can tell they're homemade chips. They're not bought frozen ones or anything. Yeah, they're very good, very crispy, very nice. Thank you. Okay, so come and check out the TELU coffee shop and the gym and all that. It's on Jalan Raya Pemogan. I'll leave the Google Maps link in the description. We're down at the canals at Jalan Temanpanci, and this is a fairly new sort of warung restaurant. I suppose you could call it a restaurant. NASI, LIWET, HAJI, RUDI, and it's mainly all kambing, like goat. So I think they've got a bit of chicken in here. I'm not really up for goat so much. I eat it, yeah, sometimes, but I'd rather have chicken or beef or fish or something. But it is a beautiful restaurant. It's all new, or fairly new in the last couple of months, and not many people even know that it's here. It's very nice. Hey, Po. Yeah, they got all plants growing up. What sort of plants are these? I think these are all chili plants. But check out the view. It's really nice. All this would have been flooded. The looks like it's all just been mopped up. It would have flooded the lot in the floods the other day. Right on the rice paddies. Yeah, it's very nice out here. I don't know what it was before, whether it was just a big shed warehouse or something, and they've turned it into a warung, but it's very nice, yeah. It's all open air sort of thing. It's got all the hanging pots and the rice paddies, something nice to look at. Whole menu, it's got a big menu, but it's all kambing, it's all goat, the whole lot. The only chicken they got in here is SATE ayam, SATE chicken, and nasi goreng, which is nasi goreng ayam. So we're just going to get a nasi goreng and some chicken satay, and yeah, that's about it. Okay, so nasi goreng, ayam chicken, and chicken satay. Oh, the rice patties, very nice. Alright, try out one of these satés. Actually, there's no peanut sauce, it's just like with sweet soy sauce or something on it. So, yeah, not bad, but. And the fried rice. There's a lot of chicken through it, but not much veggies or anything. Try a bit of that. It's sort of like a nasi uduk maybe. They've cooked it out of, which is like a spiced rice. Just for the atmosphere, it's very nice. So, yeah, so it's very nice here. It's very big at the front. Thank you. There's a lot of stuff, I don't know. Maybe it was a garden centre before. It's going to be a garden centre. Or maybe they're going to have a warung in the front too, I don't know. So we're down at TIMURAN Punching on the river here in Pemogan. It's a brand new place called Brandas. Now they've got another little place on the river up further. It's more or less the same canal but up about 2 kilometres. It's all brand new in here. It's got seating up through the middle and that. So yeah, it's just open, so we thought we'd come down and just have a coffee, see what's going on. Right. So you got croissants and cakes and stuff, small menu. You can get all different types of coffee, espresso, cafe lattes, you name it all in the drinks. Then they've got a basic menu, warung, stuff like that, carbonara, chicken katsu, roti bakar. It's a basic menu, but it's very cheap. It's only about 25,000 for a cafe latte. Right, so that's what we're going to have, and just check it out. So they give it to us in takeaway cups, maybe that's all they do. I don't know. Sheila got a, what do they call it? Matcha latte. It's like a green tea with milk. I just got a coffee. Try it out, see what it's like. Alright, it's good coffee. Anyway, cafe latte, Brandas on the river and TIMURAN Punching. So we're right on the corner of Jalan Pulau Galang and the start of Jalan Glogocari. And there's just like a little thing here. There's 3 separate different little warungs. Actually there's more. There's one on the front, one selling chicken there, and there's 3 in the back. So we're just going to get some soto here. It's good soto. So this soto, it's got like vermicelli noodles, some egg, chicken, some shallots and dried onions, chicken soto, soto ayam, and then the soto soup on top. And everywhere you go, soto is different. Some of it's really orange, like turmeric base. Some of it's just like chicken soup. So it's different for every warung is different. And that's it, soto soup. It's got the noodles, chicken, egg. I'm going to put some white rice with it. Just mix the white rice into it. And a bit of lime juice. That's soto. Now this isn't really the orangey turmeric style soto. It's more like just a chicken soup type one. And then, it's good actually with the lemon juice. Yeah. I just got my usual tea tawar, iced tea. Usually got tea hangat, which is warm tea. Tea panas, hot tea. Hangat is warm tea. So, alright, so that was a good cheap breakfast. 2 sotos, 2 teas and some kerupuk for 40,000, $4. Good stuff. What is it? JAWA TIMURAN 77. Time to go hunting fish satay. Let's go. So this is what we're going to get. Satay tuna, satay liwet, satay tuna. Okay, so this is some of the best tuna satay I've ever had. Like, I really don't eat tuna satay that much, but this one is really, really good, eh? So he also sells soup, like fish soup with heaps of tuna and that in it, which looks pretty good actually. And a lot of people are stopping and buying it. So, but today we're just getting the satay. This is probably the most busy part of Pemogan. Now we're only about 200 metres from the bypass near RAYA, the one that goes from Kuta to Sanur. But this road is Jalan Raya Pemogan. It's more or less the main road up into Pemogan. The Pemogan's pretty big. It'd be like, I don't know, maybe 100 square kilometres or something. It's pretty big. And because it goes from here right out near Banoa Turnoff, right through into South Denpasar. Well, it still is actually classed as South Denpasar. So it's a very big area. So more or less goes from Legian, Sunset Road, right through to Banoa Road. So you see it's all made with charcoal. You can buy either, it's called WARUNG, which is charcoal. You can buy either coconut charcoal or wood charcoal. Looks like this is a mix of coconut and wood. Yeah, they just got two little fans on the end blowing it to keep the coals going. And that's it. Fish satay. Makasih Pak.
Yeah, sama-sama.
Alright, on the boat. Head for somewhere nice and quiet so we can eat our satay. Okay, so I hope you like that video. If there's any warungs and that around that you like or you know and you want me to go and check out and review and that, yeah, put it into the comments, yeah. So anyway, you know the drill, thumbs up, like and comment and all that, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.